guys, it's Becky. Welcome to my channel. I'm really excited for today's video because I love these gift idea videos. I've done them just about every year for both of our girls for Easter, their birthdays, and Christmas. And so obviously this is Easter basket time. These baskets I get asked about every year. They came from, I think, Target years and years ago. They are pretty big, so they hold a lot of bigger things. The good thing is when you have a lot of big things to put in an Easter basket, they fit. The bad thing is when the things are a little bit smaller, it can sometimes look a little sparse, but that's what we're working with this year. We have two girls. Our oldest is 21 and our youngest is 15. So my oldest asked me the other day, she's like, how long are you gonna do an Easter basket? And I said, I don't know, maybe forever. So even though she is 21, we are still doing Easter baskets. And so I'm gonna start with hers. They obviously both have the same amount. It's just kind of funny because some of the stuff that my oldest daughter likes is stuff that you might think would be for a younger kid, but that seems to be the trend these days with a lot of the 20-year-olds. Everything's about like stuffed animals and kind of going back to girly childhood things, and that's definitely somewhat represented in her basket this year. Her first thing is this My Melody stationery kit, which is exactly what I was talking about with older kids liking younger. I mean, you can be an adult and like this, but you know, it's something that for me was like a very big part of my childhood with Hello Kitty and like all of her friends. And so she's very much into that. And you'll see that again here in a minute with something else. And then I also got her an Awala water bottle. Say that 3 times fast, Awala water bottle. My youngest daughter, we got her one for Christmas and she loves it. And so I got my oldest daughter just this kind of sleek white one. It will be good to take to the gym also. And then both girls are very into roller skating. You guys would know that if you've watched my channel for a while. So I got her a skating fan. I actually have one. I got my youngest daughter one. I'm just trying to decide if I take it out of the box, which I might do. I can keep the box, but I think it'll look better maybe in the basket if it's not in the box. And I got just the black and white for her because she didn't want, I don't think she would want one that was like super colorful. So got that for her. And then speaking of skating, she wanted different toe guards and laces because her skates are purple, and she wanted black toe guards and black laces. So kind of a clunky thing to put in an Easter basket, kind of ugly, but that's what she wanted. And then speaking of skating, we were on Etsy and we had seen these skating charms that somebody made, and I was like, I could totally make those. So I went to Michael's and just bought these little dangles and then these clips, and they'll hook on the skate laces. So it looks kind of janky because basically we had enough to make 3 for each girl. So I cut the piece like it was like this, and so I cut them apart. So she's got 3 to choose from, and my youngest daughter has 3 to choose from. So that, I don't know, that's gonna just kind of fall down in there probably. Doesn't really look like much, does it? And then she has, okay, so this is Cinema Roll, this little guy. Where's it at? Where's he at? There he is. So this is a different Hello Kitty like Sanrio character, and so she loves him. He's her favorite. And for whatever reason, she picks this out every time we go to this store that has a lot of these types of things, and it's just a little light that she wants to put on her desk, so I got that for her. It's a very funny eclectic mix, but that is totally her. She is very girly and then she's very sporty, so it's a very good mix of like the type of person she is. And then also I got this, I found at Marshall's. This I actually found around Christmas time, but it's got a lot of the different characters on it. It's got the bamboo lid and the glass straw, so there's Cinema Roll there. So I got that for her. I got both girls a wet brush. They go through these like crazy. I don't know, they don't last forever. And then just a couple little fun things. A little slime that I found at the grocery store. This one is the hummingbird, so I would assume it's green. I'm not really sure. And then they both have a thing of Whoppers, baby M&Ms. So those are just gonna kind of sit down in there. Maybe I can hide those ugly dark things with, I wish this didn't fall down in there. I mean, I could probably hook it to something maybe, but I'm not really sure it's worth all that trouble. But that is okay. And then for my youngest, her stuff is even smaller, so it's gonna look even goofier in this big old basket, but we're gonna work with it. So like I said, she has a wet brush as well. And then she loves the Warrior Cat series. So this is the new book that just came out. She doesn't have this one yet, so I'll got that. I think she pretty much knows that she's going to get that anytime a new book comes out. We get it. So, I mean, her basket is going to be laughingly unfilled. You guys are going to have a fit. Okay, so this, I don't really know how to make it look nice. This is a 2-pack of these really soft sleep shorts that I had actually gotten some on Amazon, and she saw mine and she was like, oh, those are cute, and they're really comfortable. So I got her some, and I don't really know how I'm going to make them look decent in this basket. For whatever reason, she's really into dinosaurs. She's been into dinosaurs for a while. I think it's because of this game that they play called Path of Titans. It's all dinosaurs. So I got her this little slipper sock set, another tongue twister with little dinosaurs. So that goes in there. And then speaking of dinosaurs, couple things. This is actually an ankylosaurus, I believe is how you pronounce it. So ankylopin is what it's called. This came from Etsy, and it might look cheap, like inexpensive and small, but it was not inexpensive for what it is. But it was so cute, and both girls have a lot of pins from Disney, and I was kind of wondering if maybe she'd like to get some kind of corkboard to display them. Maybe she wouldn't. Maybe she just wants to put this on her skate bag or something, but I just thought it was too cute, and that's her favorite dinosaur in the game. So I got her that. And then also to go with that, again from Etsy, this, she wears my rope gold bracelet. It's real, mine is real gold that I had when I was a teenager. She wears that every day. But I thought she might also like to put with that. Now this is not real gold, but this is, I believe, a brontosaurus. And this is gold, like gold tone. And she could wear this, I think, stacked with the one that she wears that was mine. And I just thought that was really fun and cute and a girly way to represent that she loves dinosaurs. So I got that for her. I think I said that was from Etsy too. I'm not sure if I said that or not. So I've got to figure out, like, maybe open it, like keep it open. I don't know if it'll stay open though. Let's tuck it. Yeah, I don't think it's going to stay open. He's just going to have to stay right there. And then, I think, again, kind of same thing with my oldest daughter. She's super girly, but she also likes video games and like Fortnite and dinosaurs, but she loves these like press-on nails. I like these because even when they're a little long, she can cut them and file them a little shorter, but she likes this brand, and so I got her 2 packs of those. And then I showed you this already, but she also has the little pack of the skate charms, her own little thing of putty, which this one is the sneaking snail, so I believe it's pink and white. And then she also has a thing of robin's eggs and a thing of M&Ms. I really want to keep this open somehow. And that is her basket. So I will try to remember to link everything that I could find. Most things can be linked. Most things are Target or Amazon or Etsy. So I think I can link all that stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what we're putting in their Easter baskets this year. I really enjoy, I think Easter baskets and stockings, I think, are my favorite things to buy for, because usually it's a lot of like just kind of smaller things. And I think it's fun. I want an Easter basket personally. I wish I had one. So I will link my gift guide playlist for you guys. Every year's previous Easter basket video will be in that playlist. Also check out the stocking stuffer videos, because like I said, those are kind of smaller things usually that would fit well in a basket. So if you need more Easter basket ideas, it wouldn't be a bad idea to check out the the stocking stuffer videos. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what your favorite thing or things were that I showed. I'm really curious to know. I really like the pin. I really like the bracelet. I'm taking a break from skating right now because I did hurt myself, but I would have loved little charms like that. Just really fun. I don't know. I just think it's really fun. And it's really fun having girls that like girly things, but then also kind of more sporty, boyish things, because I get the best of both worlds. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.